Building tiny is not about housing, it's about lifestyle. A lifestyle where spending time outdoors, it's more important than spending time indoors. Where nature is more appealing than large residential homes. And time and freedom are more valuable than objects and possessions. At Aussie Tiny Houses, you'll find the most practical and functional tiny homes in Australia, crafted from the most precise and beautiful finishes. We only choose high-end quality materials, fittings and finishes with consideration for the comfort, longevity, ease of maintenance and weight of your completed home. We are always looking for solutions where we can save weight in tiny houses. One of the things was the frames. We use Australian true core blue scope steel. A steel frame in comparison to timber, it's at least 40% lighter, which means we can build bigger tiny homes. If you compare the steel frame with timber frame, normally those houses go in someone's property, which can be full of termites. Steel frame doesn't attract any termites, doesn't burn, warp or rot. Because we build with steel frame over timber frame, the walls are way straighter, which brings the precision to the millimetre. We always try to be the leading company in this market, getting a high attention to details, to the minimal detail on every tiny house that we build. If you want to have a feeling of what a tiny house is, just come and visit us. We have a full display village to show you around.